this where like the shuttles to JFK. So the shuttles from the JFK UMass stops at Ashmont. Then for the mattapan section, you gotta get on over there to get on the mattapan shuttle. See, they got Yankee doing the shuttle. They got Metro bus from Virginia helping out. I saw Empire Coastline from Florida pulling around the corner like a few seconds ago. So that's pretty cool. This is number 23 headed to Rebels. Not a fan of these buses at all. Don't even get me started with them. Section number 205. This one's number 301. Man, the way the brakes sound once the driver pushes the brakes in, that's pretty cool. I love how loud it sounds. Then we got Metro. Because this is from. Oh no, this is laying down coach LLC from Westburg, Virginia. That's a D45 model that they got. Gotta look up the research. They think they're nice. They sound good too. Alright, coach line over there. You won't be able to see it, but that's 165. This one's 171. So they sent a couple of their buses from Orange County, Florida to help out. That's pretty cool. And it's so cool to see like a collaborative effort from like all the different companies to like come and help out, like shuttle their passengers through the stops. That's awesome. This is 077324. This Quincy Garage bus. Yeah, Quincy Garage. I wonder if half of these people know that there's buses that are coming like right behind this one, and then they're all rushing to get onto one. Like there's like 3 pulling in like right there. Well, I'm cutting it out so I could like save the battery. I would have gotten on a mattapan trolley, but if I keep looking at the time, that'll probably be like way too far. Like it'll probably take way much longer than I thought. So I'll just probably take one of those shuttles. I don't know if I'm gonna take the Van Bulls over there, probably. I've been on Setras before, but I don't know, maybe I might just go with the Van Bull. We'll see. He's taking off Lansdowne Coach LLC. He's leaving. And then coach lines, they got Wi-Fi 171 pulling. And still barely even feel good. Now it's 3:02. It's crazy. It seems like it shows up as I recorded for like 3 minutes, but in reality I've been here for like what, 15, 20, something like that. I don't want the Setra. I don't know. I thought I would have saw post-road stages here, but again, every time they're helping out on the shuttle, I always seem to miss them. It sucks, so I don't know. I probably got to take another one, a different one than I was hoping for. See, Gunther was here. Gunther, I remember they were there for the Orange Line shuttle, and the Orange Line shutdown was happening. That was cool. And they're back here again, doing their thing. So you got Empire bus lines here, Yankee bus lines. There's a third one back there. Gunther's all the way in the back. The camera quality's not doing it justice, but it looks nice for me. And then another J4500 173 over there. Yankee. There's the other Empire Coastline bus pulling up. Number 165. That's the Van Bull. That's the C. What was this? That's the new C2045. ABC companies. Look at that Van Bull. Setra 186. And that Van Bull behind it. I still can't see the name from here. Dang, I need better glasses. This one sees 50 people. This one's gotta be at least, what, 52 seats, maybe? Is it 52 or 57? Kinda hard to tell. Got Yankee personnel and T personnel helping the people, directing them, so that's cool. It's a coordinated effort when you really look at it. good effort too. That's one of them bad buses. I don't see them actually. It's gonna go over here to make like a left, I believe, like what? Make a left up there, then it's gonna go back to Rockton. That's the oh, they got free Wi-Fi on the bat buses now. I didn't know that. I did not know that. Free Wi-Fi on the bat buses. That's a new one.